Subscribe to Civil Steps YouTube channel. Press bell icon to get latest updates.
Next important news is in the Hindu, that is titled Stubble Burning. Government to spray biodecomposer in paddy fields. Now this is again an important news. Now why this is a news? Because the Delhi government will spray biodecomposer for free in 4,000 acres of paddy fields in Delhi. Now this news is important only for prelims, or in mains you can use it just as one of the steps to stop the menace or problem of stubble burning. So this news basically important for your prelims. So what can be an expected question from this news is that what is biodecomposer, or you can say how it is made. Second expected question they can ask you that how it works, and third is how it is beneficial. So one benefit that is it solve the problem or menace of your stubble burning. So there are other benefits also which we will see now. So before we start how it is composed or how it is made and how it works or how it is beneficial, we'll see some basics. Okay, so biodecomposer is nothing but it is a kind of solution which if sprayed in fields decomposes straw, that is your stubble, and convert that stubble into manure, which we used to call khad in Hindi. Now the solution will help in the disposal of stubble without the involvement of stubble burning. Now this biodecomposer was tried for the first time in 2020 and the government claimed that the results were positive. Now we'll see how it is made. Now biodecomposer capsule that is developed by Pusa Institute, so also called as Pusa decomposer, is made into a solution through a week-long process and then sprayed on stubble and straw left behind on fields after harvesting. Now what actually it is? Now Pusa Research Institution has developed capsule containing biodecomposer. In other words, that is Pusa decomposer is a mixture of 7 fungi that produce enzymes to digest cellulose, lignin and pectin in paddy straw. Now these capsules are mixed with a solution. It involves making a liquid formulation using decomposer, that is decomposer capsules, and fermented it over 8 to 10 days and then spraying the mixture on field with crop stubble to ensure speedy decomposition of the stubble. So what actually it is doing? Mixing the fungi and fermenting it for 8 to 10 days to prepare a solution. This is how they are producing it. Now if you see, the farmer can prepare 25 liters of liquid mixture with 4 capsules, that is capsule which is composed of 7 fungi, and with 4 capsules along with jaggery and chickpea flour. So they can ask you what is this, what includes. So apart from this 7 mixture of fungi, this solution include jaggery, that is good, and chickpea flour. Now the mixture is sufficient, that is 25 liter mixture is sufficient for how much area of land? That is for 1 hectare of land. This is another important prelims point they can ask you. So one farmer can produce up to 25 liters, that is for 1 hectare of land. Now how it works? Now when we apply on fields this solution, it dissolves the stem of stubble and convert it into compost. Fertility of land increases and less fertilizer is used for next cultivation. Now the this fungi thrives well at the temperature, that is 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature prevailing when paddy is harvested and wheat is sown. So we can say this help the paddy straw to decompose at much faster rate than usual. So remember, much faster rate. So what is the time period? It takes around 20 days for the degradation process to complete it. Whereas if you left it without spraying any solution, that is biodecomposer solution, or I'll say under usual circumstances, this paddy straw which is mixed with soil takes at least 45 days to decompose. So you can say with the help of biodecomposer, we can decompose in 20 days, and without it will take 45 days. Now it does not give enough time for the farmer to prepare field for the wheat crop on time. So if you are not using it, so 45 days is very much time period. So farmer is not ready for next crop, that is wheat crop. Now we'll see how it is beneficial. So first is decomposer improves the fertility and productivity of the soil, as the stubble works as manure and compost for the crop, and lesser fertilizer consumption is required in the future. So first I told you already, it works as a manure or compost for next cultivation. Next is the soil loses its richness due to stubble burning, and it also destroys the useful bacteria and fungi in the soil, apart from causing harm to the environment. So with the help of decomposer, we can prevent losing the soil important microorganism. Next, it is an efficient and effective as well as cheaper and practical technique to stop stubble burning. Next, it is an eco-friendly and environmentally useful technology and will contribute to achieve Swachh Bharat mission also. So these are some of the benefits of your biodecomposer. And if you see last, I can say the IARI, that is Indian Agriculture Research Institute, has commercialized this technology, and they have given license to 6 companies to produce this biodecomposer, which is also known as Pusa decomposer. Why? Because it is developed by Pusa. Okay, that is your Pusa Agriculture Institute. So what you have to remember for your exam, first of all, you have to remember that it is a mixture of 7 fungi. Number 1. Number 2, it requires 8 to 10 days to be prepared. Number 3, what you have to remember, that it helps in decomposing the stubble or straw in 20 days. So without it, it takes 45 days. So these are some of the things you have to remember. Another thing what you have to remember, if you go for stubble burning, it loses soil bacteria or microorganism. So with this decomposer, you can prevent the loss of such precious microorganism. So please remember these basic facts, and this is cheaper also. Okay, so it is not costly one. So farmer can easily afford these biodecomposer. So right now Delhi government is providing it free of cost to Delhi farmers, or you can say agricultural land in farmers, those who are cultivating rice. So stubble is nothing but leftover after the harvest. Okay, so that is your stubble. So Delhi government is providing free of cost. So it is expected that other state governments will also provide this biodecomposer free of cost in near future. So this is one of the important technology or innovation by Pusa Institute, which you have to remember. And it is expected that they can ask you in prelims about this biodecomposer, which we have covered holistically in this news article.